Hello, everybody. I hope you can hear me loud and clear. I hope you can hear me loud and clear. Hello, I am calling from the head office here. Who is available? Who is there? Can anyone hear my voice? All right, anybody there? Anybody home? Good evening. Can everybody hear me? Can you all hear me loud and clear? If you can hear me, say yes. See, yes, I can hear you. I can hear you. If you can, let me know. If you can hear me, let me know. All right. If you can hear me, let me know. Yes, Robert. Thank you, Robert. Robert, my guy, my man. How are you today? Okay, so Robert, you are declared the winner today. First person to join. Yes. How long have you been waiting? 20 hours? Is it 20 hours you've been waiting? Yeah. Oh, yes. Yes, but I was actually waiting for you yesterday. Yes, I think I was waiting for you on Telegram. I don't think we were not able to talk, right? I wanted to talk to 3 people yesterday. I managed to speak to 2 people. But for some reason, maybe you didn't ping me, right? All right. So yours is going to be special today. Don't worry. Today is going to be yours. Only yourself today, right? Good stuff. So let's chat after this meeting, okay? Let's meet on Telegram. I did have a chat with 2 other guys yesterday. Actually today. I couldn't do it last night. Because by the time I finish and do all the upload, YouTube upload, everything, it was already late. So, but today is another day. Aye, who is this? Nkube. So, you know what? Nkube here is called Nkube. But let me tell you a secret. Nkube, should I tell you this? Should I tell everybody the secret? Yeah? Nkube, good to see you today. Nkube, yes. So it's known here as Nkube. On the Telegram is one of our good guys there. Excellent. Okay, it's one of our good guys there on Telegram. It's a very, very active person. Great stuff. Okay, who's there again? So, Amusa, hello, Amusa, how are you? Good to see you again today. Great stuff, great stuff. Die Hard, my man, long time. No, you were here yesterday, don't want you. Yes, you were here yesterday, I know, I remember. Oh, but who is this? Bluff VKRSA. This must be your first time, right? Confirm it. Confirmation, yes, eh? Is this your first time? BLAVKRSA. Is a Republic of South Africa. Yeah. Okay. Well, Nkube has given me the go-ahead to tell you the secret, right? The secret is that we have a champion on the Telegram. His name is not Nkube on Telegram. It's a Sandile. It's Sandile on Telegram. On YouTube, it's Nkube. So sometimes I try to get my head around that. You know, who is Sandile? Who is Nkube? Are they the same person or 2 different people? So it's one and the only one. The Nkube Tevin Sandile. Nkube Tevin Sandile Tevin. All right. Mojalefa. Hello. How you doing? Stay Matoko. Yes. Look, guys, when I pick somebody out saying he's the first timer, definitely know that. Yeah. I got the knack for that. I got the knack to pick people out. You wanna try? Okay, give it a go. If you see any new name on the chat tonight and you believe it's a new one, you make the first call. All right. If you think you can do it as well, all right, you can pick out the new people by looking at the name. Okay, if you see a new name and you think it's new, shout it out, and we'll give you, we'll identify you as well as being having the knack to do that. Oh, Baba Ghana Mohammed. Yes, I think I've seen Baba Ghana before. How are you? Where have you been? Have you gone around making money? You didn't have much time left for us? Eh? Molefi. Hello, Molefi. How are you doing? You're good. Terry, you are welcome again today. I hope you had a good day trading. I hope everybody had a good day. Right. Thank you so much. It's actually a great day here. Weather is nice, people are nice, and we are doing very well in our business. I know a lot of you have already joined yourtradementor.com that you can see on the screen right now. I know a lot of you have joined, but if you have not joined yet, this is your chance to join. Okay, you are only going to pay $10 to join that group. Okay. You can see half of the people here are already members. I can tell you that. Nkube is a member. Already Robert is a member. Who else is a member? Please let me know if you're a member. If you are already a member of yourtradementor.com, pop in your name there. I wanna see your name. I wanna see your name. If you are there, pop in your name that you are a member. Pop your name in the box. In the SBS box. Pop your name in the SBS box. Say, yes, I am a member. I don't money. My account is blown. Oh. Don't worry, Baba Ghana, you will recover. So we are in a recovery season. Don't worry. If you are in this group and if you join Telegram, don't forget, please. If you are in Telegram group, you should never blow your account anymore. If you are in our Telegram group, you will never blow your account because people will advise you rightly. People that are doing live trading, you will see how much lot size they are trading. So when you see people taking 0.1, you will not go ahead and take 5 standard lot, won't you? Will you? Great. Good evening. Yes, you're fairly new. Okay, Albert, no worries. We'll always like to take care of new people here. Terry, good to see you, Terry. Okay, good stuff. All right. So I'm waiting for your answers. If you are a member of yourtradementor.com, I want you to type it there, say you're a member, okay? If you are a member, let me know. I know people that are member already, but I don't know everybody, okay? So it's very easy to join, www.yourtradementor.com, okay? For now, today, you can register using that code. That code will give you, it will make the whole thing $10 to you. Okay, all right. We will talk about it later on. But first of all, let's get to business. Who's ready to do business today? Who's ready for business today? All right, let's get on with it. Let us get on with it. Okay, there we go. There we go. Here we go. Right. All right, there we go. So, what is happening today here? We are always starting with the same currency again. We're starting with GBP USD again today. All right. Okay, so Wasame is there already. Thank you so much, Wasame. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Wasame. It's a great pleasure to have you here. And you've been fantastic on the Telegram as well. Robert has been great. And do you know the secret? Yeah, Nkube is the same guy as is in Kube here, but over there is Andile. All right, good stuff. Okay, let's look at this today. What is this? So let's look at the first one today. Is this is GU, right? So this is GU today. This is GU today, and as you can see, let's just review what's happened. We had our Europe box right here, and the market pushed up initially. All right, so it pushed back. All right, again it pushed up again and push back. What do you think it's doing here? It's trying to weed out the boys. Okay, people that don't have conviction of what they are doing. If you know that the day is going to be a bullish day, all this correction, you will know what to do. But if you don't know it's a bullish day, you know what you're going to be doing? You're going to be selling, because you will see prices coming down. Oh, it's time to sell. You sell here. As soon as you sold, it reverses. So, oh my goodness, it reverses again, and it comes down again. You sold, and then it reverses on you. That's why sometimes people say, oh, as soon as I enter the trade, it just reverses. And the reason is because you are entering at the wrong time. Okay, so this is the story of GBP today. We are all bullish, but initially, early in the day, we got thrown out a little bit. You got shaking out, shaking, and only the strong will survive. Only the strong will survive. All right, so let's analyze what happened then. Fingers on the buzzer now. Fingers on the buzzer. Fingers on the buzzer. Okay. Fingers on the buzzer. All right. So let me put my, I'm going to, as usual, let's make it that way. I'm going to put my arrow now. We use arrow now to identify. So insert an arrow. Let's see which type of arrow we want this time. Let's use a up arrow. Let's put our up arrow on this one. Okay, I decided to put my arrow on this one just because I can. I decided to put my arrow on this one. Okay, which one is your trigger candle number, please? What is your trigger candle number? Okay, tell me if this is number 1. Okay, the arrow is candle number 1. So which one is your trigger candle? Right, trigger candle. Which one is it? Which one is your trigger candle? Right, Francis 3. Yeah, are you sure? Are you sure? Wasame 3. Okay. Wasame 3. US. Anybody else? So only France and Wasame know this, right? Mojalefa 3, okay? Keep it coming. Keep it coming. All right, 3. Who else? Anybody else? Or if you don't know the reason why, no worries. We will explain it. We just give all our veterans the chance to shine. Okay, you can see them, they're coming out shiny now. Excellent. Okay, so let's look at it. So this is number 1. Okay, definitely number 1 is inside the box, so it doesn't qualify. Nkube number 3, good. Nkube said 3. Yeah, this is number 2. You can see half of it is inside, half of it is outside. It doesn't qualify. But number 3 is the correct candle. It's completely outside. So that is what we are looking for. We are looking for a candle that is formed completely outside of the box. So now we found our candle. We're going to put our buy position at the close of that candle. Okay. At the close of that candle. Albert also said 3. Okay, good stuff. Good stuff. Okay, so at the close of this candle, we make sure that we are really at the close of that candle. Okay, at the close of this candle, you go long. All right. So you went long at the close of that candle. This is it. We went long here. All right. So let's see if we hit what is the maximum we got? Did we get up to 10 pips? Oh yes. Let me make it bigger so I can see the end of it. Okay, I'll stop there and I will measure how many pips we got. Okay, so that is 11 pips. Okay, because you got 11 pips, usually what I advise you is once you get up to 10 pips and trade start to reverse against you, come out break even. So your hands are clean. You raise up your hand, say, Mr. Broker, come on, look at me. You don't win and I don't lose. So, okay, even game. You come out break even. The first trade, okay? But what happens is that you are waiting again, okay? Some people will take this as a retest. It could qualify for retest, but I prefer this type of retest. Because this type of retest, actually, you can see all the candles. Some candles have gone inside the box completely, and then they come out again. That is a better retest for me. But some people will use this also as a retest. So whatever you prefer, that's okay. So far, at least it touches the line, and you can call it a retest. Okay, so for me, the retest will be, I'll be looking here to see which one is a trigger candle. After this, I've come out break even here, and I'm waiting for another opportunity here. All right, so don't be afraid to come out break even. And once you come out break even, don't be annoyed with yourself that, oh no, I should have stayed in the market. No. Only be annoyed with yourself if you do something wrong and then you hit your stop loss. All right, so fingers on the buzzer again. Here we are going to look for which of this candle is our trigger candle. All right, just to test your knowledge a little bit further, I'm going to insert arrow now, but I'm going to put it in another place. So this time around, I choose my arrow to be here. Let me confuse anybody. I choose my arrow to be here. So on this candle. So tell me, what is your trigger candle number? That's candle number 1. Which one is your trigger candle? Anybody? Anyone? Which one is your trigger candle here? Etwaruna, hello, welcome back. Good to see you again today. Which one is the trigger candle? That's candle number 1. Look at it again. Franz Kruger, look at it. Okay, yeah. Okay, you come back. Yeah, good. Number 2. Wasame, number 2. All right. Okay, excellent. Who else? Mojalefa is 2. Okay. Who else? Robert is 2. Mid Tashif Usaya. Okay. MD Tashif Uzaya. Is that your first time? Right? Etuarina 2. Eric 2. Who is this one? Who says 4? There's no name. All right. Okay. I can see. Okay. So, if you say your answer is number 1, it's definitely wrong. Because number 1 is, some of it is inside, some of it is outside. And if you say your answer is 2, you are absolutely right. Because number 2 is not touching the line. Yes, Albert Takaruza, I see you. Yeah, you got it. Number 2. So that is our entry. All right. You can see that we even got a better entry than before. Remember, before we went long here. Now see where we are going long. So that is the joy of being patient. Being patient for the trade to come to you. So when you are patient, trade comes to you. Okay. So now we go into a long position here, and let's set our targets. Okay. Our targets, first of all, we need to set our stop loss. Okay. So stop loss for this trade is this line. Okay. Just add 1 or 2 pips below it. That's your stop loss. And your take profit target number 1 is the size of this box. So let's find out what the size of that box is. Okay, size of the box. Oh, I like this box. It looks small, but it's huge. It's 22 pips. Okay, so size of the box is around 22 pips. So it means when you go long here, right, you go long after here. You see, it's all the way. Usually after a retest, there's not going to be a further retest. You can see the market just go on their own. So somebody's strategy, I realize sometimes they tell me that they always focus on the retest of the box. So when there's a retest of the box, then they go long or they go short. So which could be a good strategy is still SBS. So instead of going for the first SBS signal, you wait until you have a retest of the same box and you go long or you go short depending on the direction. So if that is the type of system you want to use, try and back test it. What I know is that you will get less number of trades, but it might be better quality of trades. Okay, because somebody's been asking, how can we filter out bad trades? That could be one of the options. So you don't go for the first one that come out of the box, the first signal. You ignore the first signal and then you wait for retest. So usually the retest will all just go straight to your take profit target. That is the advantage. The disadvantage is that sometimes the first signal also will go straight. There will not be a retest, and then you will not have it. You have no trade on your platform. You have nothing to trade because you are waiting for a retest which never happened. So it's a balance. Okay, so now we know we are looking for 22 pips. All right, this is the highest of the market for today, or that is either this or this. You can see that is a retest of the resistant line. So that's a resistant line there. You can see that's a resistant line. That's a double top. So for those people trading price action, already they know that this is a double top, and double top usually means that once this test here failed, prices should go down. But as with everything else, including price action, it's not always it's not always going to happen. Sometimes it obeys the rules, sometimes it doesn't. If it obeys the rules to 100%, everybody will be making money. All you need to do is just wait for double top to show up and then you are in money. So it doesn't work like that. Jeez, all right. So let's see how many pips we are able to gain from this move of ours. So the first tip is 22 pips, which we duly got around here. 22 pips. 44, TP2 gone. 66, TP3 gone. 88, TP4. 88, TP4 gone. TP5 is 110. Did we get it? No, we are close. No, we got to 97. So we got TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4 on GU today. Huh? That's not a bad return, is it? Luna, hello Luna, how are you? All right. Okay, MD Tashif Hussein, you say you love the trading system. Today you got 200 pips. Jeez. Ah man, this is absolutely crazy. 200 pips. Gee, some people are looking for 200 pips in a month. If they can secure 200 pips in 1 month, they'll say yes, it's a great month. But you got it in 1 day. So congratulations. My advice to you is just keep calm and don't overtrade. And whatever you are doing that is working, just keep doing it. Okay? Don't change it. Keep doing it. Sometimes it might not be 200 pips. It might be 50 pips. Just keep doing it. All right. Excellent. Crypto is in the house. Crypto is here. Okay. You haven't sent us the cryptocurrency yet, because anybody with the name crypto should be sending us Bitcoin, please. I got Bitcoin wallet. I'm joking, right? All right, so that is the trade today. Any question for this one? Hello, Oluwaseun. Oh, are you the same Oluwaseun that's trying to register on yourtradementor.com? That you are having some little issues? Are you the same person or a different person? And if you are the same person, have you got sorted out? Have you sorted it out yet? Hello, Mekolato. Mekolato, that special name sounds like a chocolate. The name sounds like a chocolatto. Chocolatto. Good to see you again. Good to see you, Mikaletto. Good to see you. Nice for you to join us today. Right. Okay. Yeah, you see, I can remember people's name. I can even remember people's issues. Thank you so much, Oluwaseun. So you have been able to sort it out. That's good. Okay, Forest Apostle, Mr. Emmanuel. That's you, right? Good to see you again. All right. Who else is there? Excellent. Okay, excellent. Okay, so what else are we looking at? Okay, let me show you this first. Okay. Yes, I did get I got your message on Telegram. Yeah, I will be replying you. There's so much going on now. One of those things going on now is I'm going to show everybody here. One of the things going on right now is that I'll show you here. All right. One of the things going on is what we call the trading competition. Okay, SBS challenge. Okay, I'm sure all of you guys knows already. The SBS challenge went live today. Today is the 1st of July. It went live. Okay, we are live. We are live today. We are live today. All right. Okay. Let me. I'll bring it back. So I want to see the chart because the chart is on the same. It's on the same place here. So I'll bring SBS challenge back. Then I can see your chart. Okay. Ali Ekname. Hello, Ali. How you doing, sir? You're good. All right. So this is the competition. So if you go competition, you will look, because yesterday, remember yesterday when we were doing this, we were actually in the pending area. But if you go in the pending area, sorry, ladies and gentlemen, we are no longer in the pending. We are in the active zone now. We are right here in the active area. Oh my goodness. Check that out. How many people? 52 people. 52 people on SBS challenge. What amazing. I mean, look at our competitors. I don't see them as our competitors, but I'm just saying, look at other people that are registering. Look at what SBS is doing. Look, even these people, they've registered since February. Look at when we registered. July 1st. Look at these guys. July 1st, they only have 6. Yourtradementor.com, July 1st, 52. June 30, 10. June 8, 10. May 26. April 4. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. And we're a big team here. Thank you so much for all of you that you have joined so far. Thank you so much. You've been great. Okay. So today is the first day of the competition. Okay. So these are our leaderboard. Okay. So don't count much to it yet, because this is the first day of trading. So things are going to get better from here. I mean, things are going to get faster from here. We have seen some issues. Some people were disqualified illegally, unfairly, because they were trading normally, but FS Blue were using some kind of calculations or lot size calculation which was wrong. So we have corrected them now. So if you have registered before and then you get something like this, against your number, right? Saying disqualify. All right. If you get something like that against your number, don't worry about it. What you can do is re-register again. Okay. Re-register again. The condition that make you disqualify, we have removed that condition because that condition is wrong. The condition was doing, what condition was doing was, it was totaling all the trades you have done, and if all the trades you have done exceed one standard lot, it disqualify you. That's wrong, isn't it? All the trades, if it's more than one standard lot, it disqualifies you. That's completely wrong. What we are trying to say at that time was, each of your trade must not be bigger than one standard lot. But FS Blue were interpreting it in a wrong way. So for now, we have removed that that condition. But still, I will encourage you, don't overtrade. Don't use more than one standard lot for at least $1,000. Okay? Because we want you to treat this as if it is your live account. That is the essence of it. It is your live account, even if it's a demo, because it's a demo in the public. The demo that you are doing at home is different. yes, I know. Yeah, so that's right. Luna, you are correct. That's why I know they were disqualified unfairly, and that's why I've removed that condition now. So ask your friend to re-register, because no one is moving ahead yet. Everybody is still on the same level except this person. So don't worry, you can still catch up. You got a long way to go. It's a long race, okay? I am flabbergasted that 52 people have already registered. That's great. So please go back and register if you have been disqualified. These people are disqualified wrongly, okay? Because they have taken trades more than one standard lot. And who is not going to take a trade more than one standard lot? Who? You will be taking trade more than one standard lot, okay? And I see some people, look, quite a lot of people were disqualified wrongly, right? So let all these people come back. And I see some people still, they have not actually activated their account yet. So if you are among those people that have not actually done anything yet, connect your account. You have to do that now so that you don't want to miss out on the competition. You want to fight for yourself. You want to test yourself against the best. Test yourself against the best. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's what you need to do. You need to come here and then you need to register. So, if you have not registered, it's so easy to register. All you need to do, to do this is, you first of all have to join FS Blue Live. And once you've done that, then you come here, you say register or login. Okay, so if you have a login, you log in. If you have not, you register. Okay, it's actually a bit complicated way of registering. But if it's complicated, right, and all these people are in, so consider it done, that you can do it. All right, you can do it. I believe you can do it. Okay, so these people are now battling it out to declare who is the best SBS trader. Okay, apart from the prize we are going to win, I think we have something special for you. If you use our strategy and you can prove to us that you know that strategy in and out. It's like you're a student in a school, right? And you were set an exam by your school and you came out first class. You know what happened when you come out first class? I remember in the uni, when I was in the university, I'm not saying I came out with first class, don't get me wrong. Jeez, I didn't say I come out first class, all right? So the people that comes out first class, you know what they used to be, right? If you can remember, some of them becomes the lecturer in the same school. Am I talking to somebody? Yeah? They become the school lecturer. They become lecturer because the school want them back. Because the school say, oh, these people are so fantastic. They understand the system in this school. They know exactly how we do it. Why don't we hire them? Why are we looking for somebody else? Why are we hiring somebody else when one of us here is as good as anybody? So, We are looking for people like that, but you got to prove yourself. This is your chance. Apart from that, you have something to win as well. So, all right. So these are the rules. The rules are very simple. As we said, it started today, so it's not too late. You can join anytime. Okay, but I think the best thing for you is to join as soon as possible. Okay, so you must use the SBS method to enter your trade, but after that, you are free to combine SBS with any indicator to manage your trade. So you can combine with anything you like. Okay, we want geniusity. We want somebody to think out of the box. Even though we have the SBS box, we have the magic box, but we want you to think out of the box. All right, out of the box. So remember that place, and place, and place, and place. Don't use EA. Okay, EA is a good tool to know, but for this competition, we want you to do it manually. Okay, if EA works all the time, then nobody will be trading manually again. You will never see anybody in Wall Street trading on the pits floor. Those people have millions, billions of dollars to develop good EA, but why are they still trading manually? Okay, think about it. All right, so make sure your account is $1,000 US. If you don't have a broker, or you don't have a demo account or live account, or you want to open a new one with a trustworthy broker, IC Market is one of them. I put my link here if you like to use it. It's not compulsory. To take part in the competition, you have to publish your account, which you are already done. So as we said, it starts in 1st of July. You can join the competition at any time. Okay, all right, but at least you need some time to make money. You can't join on the last day and you want to beat the person that have started 30 days or 40 days before you. All right. Yeah, so you can only competition. Okay, competition has started now, so you can join anytime from now. Okay, so there are 5 prizes to be won. 5 prizes. Okay, so we thought about giving 3 prizes out, but one of you suggested that we should make it 5 or 10, so we made it 5 prizes. So the first prize is $300, and so on and so forth. Okay, right. I see a lot of you have emailed us about the fact that you are trading. Please send us email if you are taking part, so that we can keep your record. Okay, all right. Okay, after competition, the winner will get their money via PayPal, or if you don't have a PayPal, your money will go to your designated bank account, or whatever, however you want your money to be paid to you. We shall endeavor to do that. All right, so that is it. That's very simple rules. So ladies and gentlemen, if you're on this call tonight and you are not here, you are missing out, because these guys, apart from looking to gain the money, they are testing themselves. Okay, they are putting their knowledge into action. All right, so that is it. So we have 52 people already joined. Okay, so I'm sure you can look at people's trade, what they are trading, what kind of instrument they are using, and what method, and so on and so forth. So go to fsblue.com, competition, and then look for active competition and your trade mentor SBS challenge. Okay, excellent, great stuff. Thank you so much. All right, any question? Okay, all right. So Forest Apostle says, I see the guy leading that he placed one lot size. So does that mean it's not mandatory to place 3 different trades? No, it's not mandatory to place 3 different trades at all. You could place 1 trade, you could place 2 trades, you could place 5 trades, depending on how many TP lots or TP levels you are looking for. If you are only targeting TP1, for example, you can pick 1 trade. If you are targeting TP1 and TP2, and if that is your strategy, you can place 2 trades. If you are targeting 3 TPs, 1, 2, and 3, you can place 3 trades. So you split your lot size into 3 places. Or if you are targeting 4 TPs, you split your lot size into 4 positions. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, it's just starting. So you got a big chance. You got to register as soon as possible. All right. How do I connect? Have been trying to do that since yesterday. Oh, you mean to connect to SBS Challenge? You mean? To do SBS Challenge, all you need to do is just go to fsblue.com. Okay, I'll send it to you now. All right, what I'm going to do, I'll say competition, and I will look for active, and I will look for SBS Challenge, and that is our link. So I'm going to send this link into this chat. So if that is one you are referring to, so if you click that link, it will take you to this competition. You just register and join SBS Challenge. All right. Okay. Forex are paused to one can get target TP1 and trail. Yes. You can also target TP1 and continue to trail your position. It's also a good way of looking at it. All right. Good stuff. So tomorrow we want to see 100 people in this place. I hope you're going to join and make it 100, right? Thank you so much. All right, let's look at one more example of our market today. All right, one more example, especially for new people. Okay, so for new people, let me slow down. Okay, slow down, man. Slow down. Take it easy. Take it easy, man. All right, so for our new joiner, this is your chance to learn the system. I've always said that this is one of the simplest system that is profitable on Forex. Okay, right. So the system is described as follows. We draw a line on the highest and the lowest of 1 hour, the hour between 7 to 8 GMT. So European markets, which starts in Frankfurt, open at 7 a.m. London time. Okay, so we want to put that hour to test. We want to look at that hour and put a line at the highest point of that 1 hour and another line at the lowest point of that 1 hour. Okay, make sure it's at the lowest point of that 1 hour. Okay, the reason why we're doing that is we want to determine, the momentum always start at the first hour of the day. It's like when you wake up in the morning. If you feel very excited in the morning, you are going to carry that excitement quite long into the day, right? If you feel bad, let's say you have a bad dream and then you feel very sad early in the morning, you might feel a little bit lethargic, waking up, you're very slow. Same thing happened to markets. You have heard that market has their own pulse, their feelings. The market has a feeling. So in the morning, when the markets feel that they are pessimistic, right? That is, look, this is the first hour of trading. And it's as soon as the hour finished, they decided, okay, look, today is gloomy, it's dark, and it's very bad today. We're selling this pair. So what happened? It might carry on for the rest of the day. And that's exactly what happened. So if they were pessimistic after the first hour, and that pessimism continued till now. All right, so it continues. So that is the psychology we are playing with. That we are using that psychology. So now you see that this thing fell here and it continued to fall. All right, so new people, I just took that to explain the psychology and the rationale behind this strategy. So this is the box. If you look at this data window here, you see that our box starts at 900, 905, 910. Now I'm looking at this data window, 915, and so on until the last box, which is at 10 o'clock. So this is last box, 10 o'clock. Last candle, 10 o'clock. Okay, so you can do this manually if you want. It's so easy to do manually. I think I've done it before. I've shown you guys. Okay, but if you want to do it automatically like we are doing here, you use what we call indicator. Okay, so we add indicator to this thing. The indicator is called sessions. Okay, sessions indicator. And how does it work? So the session indicator has 3 major sessions you can play around with. You can set the Asian session, Europe session, and the USA session. Okay, any session you don't want to see on the chart, you just remove the color. Okay, just remove the color. The ones you want to see, put a reasonable color there, then you will see it. Right now I'm putting 9 to 10 a.m. Oh, why am I doing that? But you told us 7 to 8. That's correct. So why are you putting 9 to 10? All right. Oh, my guys, they know it. They know it. They know I'm just joking right now. I'm playing around. Okay, the reason why I did that is because my broker here, IC Market, they are 2 hours ahead of London time. Okay. So if London is 7 o'clock, IC Market is 9 o'clock. So that's why it is 9 to 10 instead of 7 to 8 London time. All right. So hence you have this box on the chart. Okay, so that's about the box. Anyway, let's see. FS Blue says I am disqualified. Yes, Die Hard. Sorry about that. You know, you never traded on the account. In fact, they have a lot of rules that are not even right. So what I say is try to re-register again. One of the rule is that your account must not have an open position. So when you join them, make sure you close all your position first. Actually, not only that, you have to start with a 1,000 US dollar. Okay, so if your live account doesn't have, or maybe the balance is not on that region, if it's too much or it's too less, then open a demo. All right, by the side, open a demo. Make that demo 1,000 US dollar, and make sure you don't have any position open when you join FS Blue. Otherwise, they will disqualify the account automatically. Okay, Die Hard and all of you guys, I want to see you there. You are a veteran. So if you say you're a veteran and you are not in that competition, I'm afraid. I am afraid. You know what I'm going to say, right? Okay. I'm sure you're going to try it again. Well done. Thank you for trying anyway. So go and register again, because tomorrow we want to see that number goes to 100. All right. So sessions, that's it. Okay, so now you've built your session, and then this is 9 and it's 10 o'clock. And what happened next? So candle continue to form after the box. And what you are looking for is the first candle that will form completely outside the box. So the candle must be outside of this channel, and it must not be touching the line. Some candle may be outside, like this one. It's outside, but it's still touching the line. Some of it is still inside. We are not interested. Even this next one, assuming it's here, and the wick goes up, and touch here, and then we are not going to be interested. Fortunately for this little doji or whatever candle we might call this one, this guy qualify. Wow, it's the smallest guy here, and he's qualified because it's not touching the line. Let me zoom in. All right, let me zoom in so that you can see. Look at him here. So this one does not qualify, even it's a big four big candle, right? It doesn't qualify, but this one does, because it's not touching the line and it's completely outside the box. So that candle will put us into a sell trade. So we are going to sell at the close of that candle. Okay, some people have asked me a question before. They said, does the color of the candle matter, whether you want to go long or short? So does it matter if your trigger candle is a bearish candle or your trigger candle is a bullish candle? The short answer is no, it doesn't matter. Your trigger candle can be any type. It can be a bullish or a bearish candle. The same thing applies if you have a breakout, a bullish breakout. Your trigger candle does not necessarily have to be a bullish candle. It could be bearish candle as well. So provided is a trigger candle. Cool. So now we know our trigger candle and our stop loss is this line. This line is our stop loss, and our take profit target is the size of this box. Like the question we had before, somebody was asking TP1, TP2. So this is your TP1. Your TP1 for this trade is exactly 10 pips. Okay, 10 pips being your TP1. All right, so the question is, let's see if we make our TP1. What's happening? And it's suddenly there's some action going on. Oh my goodness, it hasn't done anything since morning. It's been ranging since morning, and suddenly it got some power somewhere. Some people are pushing it somewhere, right? But it's not going anywhere. It's just on the same spot. It's not like you're in a gym, right? You know that that treadmill. You're on the treadmill and you are actually running 5,000 kilometers. Oh my goodness. You are running 5,000 kilometers on the treadmill on the same spot, right? You're not going anywhere. Goodness me. All right. So this is what this guy is doing. He's going nowhere. He's just making a lot of noise. Jeez. All right. So 10 pips is our take profit target. So let's see if we hit our take profit target. Take profit target. Yeah, we did. We actually did. We did actually hit TP1 and TP2. As you can see, this is 22 pips, right? 21 pips. So let's consider it 21, 22 pips. So we hit our take profit 1 and take profit 2. While this guy is still busy pumping up and pumping down at late hour. He's supposed to be doing this during the trading hours, not now. Okay, FS Blue. Yes, FS Blue has a lot of trouble. Okay, time frame for this one is a 5-minute time frame. Okay, Oluwase, you want to draw the box manually? Okay, I'll show you how to do that. All right, let's take this one for example. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, so what I'm gonna do, I am going to let me delete the indicator. Okay, let me delete the indicator. Delete. Okay. All right, so I've deleted the indicator. All right, so it's so easy to do, right? Let me make it bigger. Okay, so you see, I don't even know where the box is again, right? So everything is completely modeled out. In fact, to be honest, we can put this one anywhere so that you know that we are not cheating and we are not looking at it. So now your box needs to be between 9 and 10. So keep looking at the data window, please. Focus focus your eye on the data window. The only window you have to look down is the data window. All right, data window. Keep looking here. So I'm looking for 10 o'clock. 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. All right, 9 o'clock. That's 9:10. Okay, this is 9:05. This is 9, right? So once I find my 9 o'clock, look at where it is. I'm going to take an horizontal line. I will put it there. So I'll take horizontal line. I'll put it on 9 o'clock. Okay, let's confirm. Is that 9 o'clock? Yes, 9 o'clock. Now I'm looking for 10 o'clock. I'm looking for 10 o'clock. Okay, so this to me is my 10 o'clock. This one is my 10 o'clock. So I'm going to take another candle, another vertical line. I'm going to take another vertical line and I'll put it on 10 o'clock. That's my 10 o'clock. Are we all good with that, right? That's my 10 o'clock. This is it. 10 o'clock. And this is my 9 o'clock. Okay, good stuff. Excellent. Is that correct? 9, 10 o'clock. Now, I need to look at the highest of that hour. So all of this is 1 hour, right? Because we are looking at 5 minutes chart. So everything between the first line and the second line is 1 hour. So I'm going to take horizontal line and I want to draw it at the highest point and take another horizontal line and draw it at the lowest point. Let me show where the lowest point of this candle is. Okay, so the lowest point is actually at the close of this candle. So let me put it back there. Yeah, so that is the lowest point here. So let's do that one first. So I'm going to put it at the lowest point here. Okay, so let's make it the big line. Okay, so I put it here, the lowest point, and I'm going to put it at the highest point again. I'm going to find the highest point. So highest point, where are you? Okay, let me see which one of this is the highest point. Okay, so this is the highest point. That guy is the highest point. So you put it at the highest point here. That's the highest point, and put it back to where it is. Yeah, are we all clear now? Are we all clear now? Do we understand how we got this? Is this triangle? No. This is rectangle. How we got this rectangle? It's not a square. It's not a square, right? Because a square means the length and the breadth are the same, right? But a triangle means the length and the breadth are not equal. Hey, I know my mathematics, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so this is how to do it manually. Okay, so the only thing left now is that the inside of this is not colored, but this is the box we are looking for. So you'll be hearing box every time. Magic box, SBX box, everything. That is it. That is the box. How do we know? Okay, let's test it out. So I've deleted the indicator. Now I'm going to put back the indicator, and I'm going to put the time at 9 to 10 as well. All right, so I will say insert indicator. Where is it? Sessions. The session indicator is back. Okay, I don't want to see any of the Asian yet. And for Europe, we have said we are going to use 9 to 10. We are going to use 9 to 10, and we're leaving it at a purple color. For USA, we said we don't want to use any color. We don't want to see it yet. Okay, do we all agree with me that this is what we are looking for? Europe 9, begin at 9, Europe end at 10, everything. Yeah, so that is it, and you click OK. So what do we expect to see now? What we expect to see is that this box should go straight into what we have drawn on the screen. If it goes straight into what we have drawn on the screen, it means we didn't make mistake. If it doesn't go into it, then we check it out whether we made some mistake. All right. Okay, because no one is above mistake, ladies and gentlemen. Even your lecturer in the university, his name is Professor who? Professor Pella. All right, off we go. Bing. All right, so let's see what happened. Okay. All right, so this one is saying, where do we start? Do we make a mistake? This is not what's time is 9:05. This should be 9:05. Okay, so we got this right, absolutely right. So the only thing that we didn't get right is this. Where is 9 o'clock? Why do we start from here? Why do we? Okay, we start here. So why this box? Let me see. Box is 9 o'clock. Okay, so 9 to 10. Okay, so the box is looking at this candle here, this last candle here, and it's starting at 9:05. Okay, actually it's starting at 9. It's starting at 9, but it wasn't considering, so it's starting at the open of the close of 9. Okay, the close of 9, not the open of 9. The close at 9 o'clock. That's what it's considering. Okay, so if you are drawing it manually, remember it is the close of 9 o'clock, not the open of 9 o'clock. So that's the little bit that you need to consider. The close of 9 o'clock where the 9:05 starts, and that's it. So you get your box 100%, almost 100%. Okay, clap for me. So that is how to draw it manually. The only small thing there is that you remember that for you to draw it manually, it is not the open of the 9 o'clock, but the close of the 9 o'clock you will consider. All right, the close of 9 o'clock. All right, excellent. Good stuff. Good stuff. All right. Any question? Any question? My broker is 1 hour ahead. So what's your time must be set? It must be set at 8 to 9. 8 to 9. If it's 1 hour ahead, it's 8 to 9. Okay, so what did Eduardo say? I have registered with FS Blue Live, but my account is still showing no data for participants. Okay, does that mean that it's not connected? Have you checked that you are really connected to synchronized? You may want to try to synchronize it. And they have another EA that do the synchronization. You can check it out. Let me show you that. So you have two methods. Let me show you that quickly. You have two methods of synchronizing your accounts. Okay, so when you go here, and you say FS Blue Live. Okay, so if this is the one you did, which is, they have two ways of synchronizing your MT4 account. You can register with this type of account sync, or you can register with this type. So this one, you will need to take their EA and put it on your chart, one of your charts. Then it will be synchronizing your trades with FS Blue. This one, if you register this type, you don't need any EA to synchronize. It does it automatically. But they put a caveat there somewhere. They said that FS Blue Live is free service for publishing, analyzing your trade. Publication is almost instant after trading activity, with updates as frequently as every 60 seconds. So once you are connected, every 60 seconds, it connects to the FS Blue server and see whether you have a trade or not open, and we copy it. It will just display your open trade and your closed trade. You can combine account into portfolio and the rest of it. So if you have used this method before and it's not giving you result, you can try this method. Okay, either of the method, one of them must work, because it's all about synchronizing your account with FS Blue. All right, good stuff. All right, let's see. Competition is hot. Okay, competition is very, very hot. Hey, we are 54, just live on the screen. Ladies and gentlemen, you remember we were 52 when we started this live session. So 2 people have already registered. The good thing is that you can be anonymous, except you want to show your name. Otherwise, look at all these people. We don't know who they are. If you want to use a number, that's fine. No one will recognize you. All right. If you want to use your name, it's fine as well. So it's up to you what you want to use. But whatever you put as your username, all right, so if you come here, whatever you use as your username here, that is what it will be displaying in the competition. So if you put your name as the username, it will show here. All right, just remember that. Excellent, good stuff. All right, let's see more question. Okay, Etwaruna, so try that. Okay, try and see if you can sync with another method. Okay. Okay, Die Hard, you have £1,000. Okay, give it a go. I hope they will take the £1,000. They won't say it's $1,000. If you ask me, I would take £1,000 instead of $1,000. Hey, jeez, Blavike RSA, your broker is 1 hour ahead. Okay, so I've told you that 8 to 9. You said. Oh, the pair we were looking at, USD JPY. This is USD JPY. Nkube, you have assist. Okay. All right. Okay, use XM broker. All right. Good stuff. Okay, can this strategy method give me 100% profit yearly? Who is this? I think I'm gonna have to ask Mr. Forex that question. If anybody know Mr. Forex, if you know who the guy that actually started Forex, I'm gonna ask him that question. I'm joking. No, this strategy is we don't predict something like this. Okay, so we just know that this strategy work, and people have been trading it live. In fact, if you don't know that we have a Telegram group which I will show you now. Let me first of all send you the link to the Telegram group, because that is where all the actions is taking place. Okay. All right. This is the Telegram group. All right. So let me take you to the Telegram group. You can see what is going on there. Okay. So in the Telegram group, people are helping each others out. So right now you can join that group. And okay, right. Okay, so Forest Simple Breakout Strategy, that is the name of the channel or the group. Okay, so we've got some champions already in this group. As I told you, I'm going to give a shout out to some of them now. Few people that are joining for the first time. I will tell you, Mojalefa is on this live session. Thank you so much. You have been great. Thank you so much. Yes. Mojalefa has been helpful as usual. Wasame is one of our leaders here on this group. It's been very, very helpful. Thank you, Wasame. All right. Okay, I see Oluwaseun. Is this same Oluwaseun on this chart? Is this Oluwaseun on this chart? Is this still you, or is it a different one? All right. Let me see who else is contributing a lot. Let me see. All right, you can see Mojalefa again. Robert has been great. Thank you, Robert. You came in a little bit later today. You were busy during the day, right? Okay, thank you for coming in, Robert. You've been good. I will chat to you again. I'll chat to you later after this, hopefully today or tomorrow. All right, who else has been active? Look at that. Who is this? His name is Sandile, but you know who he is? It's Nkube. It's Nkube on this live session, right? Okay, excellent. All right, this is the one I sent earlier. You know, the reason why some people were disqualified, I told you that it was unfairly, because they were disqualified because they have total lot size greater than one standard lot. That is not right. You don't want to trade for a whole month or even more, and the whole of your lot size is less than one standard lot. That's not possible. Even if you do 0.01, at some point your trade will be more than one standard lot. Okay. So never mind, we've corrected that, so people are registering back again. Thank you so much. Let's look at a few more people. Ade, thank you, Ade. I think Ade has been very good as well. Oluwaseun, is it the same person? Oh, different person. Okay. Thank you for confirming that. All right, whoever this is, thank you so much. You have been good. You have been answering a lot of questions. Good. You can see somebody is saying that the signal for Europe session, he said it was US session, check back, it was sell. So in this group, nobody uses foul languages, nobody's belittle anybody, nobody look down on anybody. Whether you are new to trading or when you've been trading for 100 years, you are treated equally, okay? And we don't tolerate any people trying to bully anybody. So it's been very good. It's a family, very good family. So people post their good trades and bad trades. So that's why we don't hide anything. Okay, so this guy today, I think he took few trades which didn't go well. I have not analyzed his trade, but this is what he posted. So I encourage it, whether it's a good or bad trade, just post it, because you can learn. In fact, some people will advise him here and say something like, what's his name? Hassan Nimad. Let's see whether anybody will comment. Some people will comment on his trade and give him advice. Okay, he will have even learned a lot from it. All right. So Oluwaseun, okay, he's posting his chart, but I like to see the box. Oluwaseun, if you can put your box, your SBS box, I like to see it. I don't mind seeing other indicators, but I want to see the SBS box, how it's related to your trade. Okay. Okay, good. Sorry for saying that, because that is his box. It's as if he knows I'm going to say that. It's as if he knows I'm going to say that. Exactly, this is his box. Okay, look at that. So that's his box. I think this is the same guy that says something. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, read this comment. Read that comment. This is moving, right? First time I will ever make such profit. I am close to tears. Oh man, this is great. This is beautiful. Okay, so don't look at the profit and say, oh, it's only $26. Oh, it's only $26. Why is he talking about it? Man, if you have been losing thousands in the forex market, you've been losing hundreds in the forex market, and suddenly everything now turned to your favor and you are winning $26, you will be happy, right? So that's what happened to him. You know, he now uses this box. You can see the box. He's trading this box now, and look at all his trade. He's taking trades and he's winning. That's why he is emotional. This is what we call emotional. He says, I am close to tears, because he's never done this before. I mean, it's never done. Even myself, as I'm reading this now, I'm almost close to tears, you know. I'm not crying. Don't say, no, I'm not. But it's moving, right? So it's emotional. All right. Good. I hope you keep it up. Keep it up, Oluwaseun, right? Keep it up. So, and not only that he's trading, it's also helping other people as well. It's replying to people. Okay? So Robert is still, you know, is still on his trade, is still riding his trade, which is fantastic. Let me pick out Ben Davis. I think this Ben Davis is being good as well. Keep it up. If you do a lot of comments and you help people, I will definitely notice you. Okay, this is one trade. This guy took 3 trades and they're all winners. Okay. What about this guy here? Okay, he took 3 trades as well. They are all winners. All right. And this is another one. Okay. This is another one. This one took how many trades? GBP USD, Euro Aussie, and they are all winners. Okay. So profit of $26. That's fantastic. Eric Dancing is different from the one we saw before. Oh, look at that. I have not even seen this comment. Not a bad start. So this guy must be using his life account, right? Not a bad start to flipping this $100 account over 25%. Okay. So great stuff. Well done for doing that. Okay. Well done for doing that. Keep it up. Whatever you are doing that makes that money, make sure you do it more often. Okay. Don't go back into the old style. You know, lack of focus, lack of discipline, and lack of plan. Don't do that again. This is a plan that you see is working for you now. Tomorrow, if it gives you a small loss, don't run away because of that. Just keep doing it because you know it works. All right, it's not a bad start. 25% profit in one day. So if it continues that way, it could double its account in 4 days. That's a good point. But also, you know, there's always a other part of the coin, other side of the coin. No, don't overtrade. Don't take too much risk. Okay, good. All seems to be great today. Look at that again. Another powerful 3 winners. Okay, I show all the winners, I show all the losers, so we don't run away from anything. Look at that. This one is a great winner. 1 2 3 4 5 SBS strategy. Please, if you don't use SBS strategy, don't post your trade here, please, because we don't want to show people a wrong information. Okay, so who is it? Wasame. That's Wasame there. That's Wasame trade again today. All right, so it's done few trades. GBP here, it's win them all. Okay. Oh, look at that beautiful picture. See that beautiful picture? That's in the money. You can guess what pair this is. We have already done this. This is GU, I believe. I think it's GU. Yeah, you can see the box. When the box pop out, you can see how it goes. This is where we're thinking maybe we can go for a retest. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. So simple to trade here. So come on board, join this group. It's free group, okay? It's free to join this group, all right? And you will learn a lot. You will learn a lot here. So when we start in the morning, we all start together. Look at all these trades. Are they today? Yeah, they are all today. These are all today's trade. So this guy is piling up on the euro, on GBP, because he knows what he's doing. Okay, he knows he knows the signal is to buy. So if you are going to buy, why don't you stack it? You know, the favor in your stack the odds in your favor. Okay, so it's stack the odds in his favor, and that is the strategy, and it works. Great stuff, Sandile. Thank you so much. I've seen a lot of people here. There's a lot of people here helping out. Great stuff. All right, excellent. I think we've seen enough today. So if you have not joined this group, I think you have enough to join. Let's see this one. Is this the same guy? Oh, this is another one. All right, this is a live account. You can see this is Eagle Live. This is a live account. It's not a demo. It's a live account. So people really trust this strategy. If they don't trust this strategy, they won't put their money on it. Okay, so they put their money on it, and they used to say something: put your money where your mouth is, or put your mouth where your money is. Put your money where your mouth is. All right, so it's put his money where his mouth is. All right, great stuff. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. This is great. All right, so you got the link to join the Telegram group. I'm going to send it to you again. That's your chance to be part of this amazing group. I've always said that this group is going places. It's going places. All right. Thank you so much. So finally today, I know most of you are part of the yourtradementor.com, but if you are not part of it yet, consider joining. Okay. Consider joining. Reason is it's going to be enhancement to your trade. Whatever level you are, whether you are a beginner or you are middle professional, whatever level you are, this is going to help you. Okay, this is going to help you really well. So you should consider to become a member of yourtradementor.com. Okay. You might think it's expensive to become a member. No, it is not. It's the easiest thing to do. It's the easiest thing to do. Let me quickly show you. Just a minute, okay? I'll show you now because you are here today to take great advantage of this. Okay, so for this, yourtradementor.com, this is what we are offering you. We have 3 packages, which is silver package, gold package, and diamond package. Okay, all these 3 packages, they have the same access. You access the same tutorials, you access the same forum, you access the same live trade review. Everything is the same. Okay, all the materials. So why somebody is paying $50 and someone is paying $200 and someone is paying $500? Remember, all this money, these ones are one-off payment. Okay, the recurring payment is here. It's $50 for everybody. But why this one is different is because this gold package will have a 1-day mentorship, one-on-one mentorship with me, 2 hours. What are we going to do in 2 hours? We can do a lot. We can do a lot in 2 hours. We can choose a suitable strategy for you. And if 2 hours might not be enough for you, you want to consider a longer period, which is 3 days or 6 hours. It is 2 hours in a day. So 6 hours, what are we going to do? We are going to analyze everything about your trading, and we're going to put you right onto the path of success. You can see a lot of stories about people in Telegram, how they are making money now. So if you join this, it will be much bigger than that. So, but even if you want to join as a silver package and you're telling me, okay, now, I'm still struggling. I haven't got enough money yet because I've not made money in Forex, but I'm giving you the chance to become a member. So I'm slashing this $50. I'm slashing it to $10 for you tonight. So if you have $10 and you want to, and you want to improve your trading life, and you want to become more successful in trading, consider joining this silver package. It will give you a whole month access to all the materials you need to become a successful trader. How do you do that? You just click start mentorship. You click start mentorship, and when you click it, I will give you a code. So you enter your detail there. So you enter your detail, your time zone. Make sure you put the right time zone there. Okay, select your time zone. Mine is Europe, so I will look for Europe, and it's London. And I will change my phone number to the right phone number. Okay, I change my country to the right country. So my country is UK. You look for yours country, UK, and you click next. Okay, so when you click next, your email address, you enter your email address again. Okay, so your email address must be a good address, because we are going to send a lot of stuff back to you. We're going to send a lot of stuff back to you. So you create a strong password. You create a strong password. Okay, so you create a strong password. Okay, once you've done that, you go next. All right, so now when you go next, you see the price is $50. Okay, so if you don't have a code, if you don't have a discount code from me, you are going to pay $50. But if I give you this discount code tonight and you put it here, this is the discount code, and you put your discount code here, remember you must click apply discount. If you don't and you complete your registration, it will charge you $50. So you click apply discount. I know some people have issues before. Let me show you something. Okay, here, if I put space, let's say I put some space here and I say apply discount. All right, what does it say? Discount code is wrong. Kindly check and try again. A lot of people have told me that they have issues like that. Okay, the reason is this code that you have put, there were spaces before or after it. So make sure that there are no spaces before or after the code. And then you click apply and you wait. You must wait. Say discount applied. Okay, say okay. And then you see your money drop from $50, it goes to $10. This will buy you a burger, a KFC or a McDonald's, or you go to a Burger King, and it will cost you $10. And with this, you can have access to the whole of the resources available on yourmentor.com for a month and much more. I'll show you what you will have again. Okay, so after that, you just say apply, continue. Okay, no package selected because we haven't selected the card payment. Continue. You can use PayPal or you can use your credit card to pay, and that's it. You complete your registration. Okay, so tonight, if you want to take that advantage, let me drop that code for you. Okay, so today was the official launching day, July 1st. Even though some people have already joined us, we have a lot of people that have registered. I can tell you that we have over 20 countries that have registered on this yourtradementor.com. Okay, we have people from the United Kingdom, we have people from Nigeria, we have people from Uganda, we have people from Italy, Germany, USA, and many more countries have registered. Over 20 different countries. So you can imagine that it's buzzing over there now. So you got to be there. Okay, so what I'm going to show you is what you gain also. Another benefit you will receive as a member. Okay, so as a member, you will have access to all the educative material, all the videos, everything that you know me about. You know, I've been operating YouTube channel for nearly 10 years. You know, all the quality materials that are there. If you go to YouTube now, you may not find them there anymore. And where are they? They are on this yourtradementor.com website. Okay, so not only that you will enjoy all the videos. If you go to the store, Okay, if you go to the store here, we package some indicators, some strategies, some expert advisor. We're going to be loading all this stuff, but remember, we are not loading with unuseful items. We are going to be putting items that are winners. Okay, so if you are not a member, you are welcome to buy them. You are free to buy them at these prices. However, if you are a member, for logging in and for signing up, we are going to send you another coupon. Those people that are already registered, they know what I'm talking about. You get a coupon code. When you put the coupon code on your on any of this, when you say add to your cart, okay, basket, when you add it to your basket and you go to checkout, view cart, if you go to view cart and then you put that code there, okay, so here the coupon code we are going to give you, you put it here, and when you click apply code, you know what happened? It will give you 100% discount, so you don't have to pay a penny for any of this. Okay, so if you think it's too good to be true, you try it. You try. If you think it's too good to be true, you try it. Currently, even looking at this page, there were $50 in 8 places. That's $400 worth of product, and you are getting all the $400. If you want to download them, you're getting it for what? For your registration fee. So, ladies and gentlemen, it's a great opportunity. You have to take the advantage of it. All right, enough of that. Let us look into the last thing before we go, my people, my people. All right, I've talked too much today, even that. You could not join the Telegram group. Why? Have you joined before? Because we do kick people out of that Telegram group. Sometimes we have to be frank, because we have rules and regulations, and when people break the rules and regulations, we kick them out. One of the main rules is that you can't be in the Telegram and start marketing your product there, okay, or trying to bring a new strategy. You can enhance SBS, but we don't want to be diverted to other things. You know, we know there are thousands of strategy online. If we want a place for all the different types of strategy, then you can go there. But on this one, we want to focus on what we know works. We know the winner and we want to make it better. That is our aim. The aim here is to make it better. A lot of people have asked the question, how can we avoid false breakout? That's a perfect, legitimate question. So we know as it is, SBS is profitable. But can it be improved? Yes, of course. Who is going to do it? Are you going to wait for me to do it? No. We are going to do it together. That is why the forum is there. Okay? We are going to do it together. All right. Okay, Telegram name is SBS. Simple Breakout Strategy is the Telegram name. Okay, let me post it here again. Telegram name is SBS Simple Breakout Strategy, and here is the link. Okay, any more questions? You're very late and it's my first time to join. No problems. No problem, Unati. Okay, first of all, Unati, make sure you join this Telegram group, because once we finish here, our discussion continues over there, so it's an opportunity to carry on talking with us and learning about the strategy. Faida, you use London box though out instead of switching to when it's already time US box. Yes, so I think your question is a good question. Okay, let's try another pair. Okay, I just want to show you. I don't want to use that. Okay, because this, let me delete all the lines. Okay, let's delete all the lines. Okay, so I want to show you something. Okay, now let's turn on all the other sessions. Okay, let's turn on the US session, Asian session first. Let's turn it on. Asian session, our time for Asian session is 2 to 3. Okay, remember that this is also, it could be 1 hour, it could be the start of Japanese or the New Zealand or Australia. Okay, we leave Europe as it is, and the US we put 14 to 15. Okay, 14 to 15. Okay, all right, and the color of this one, we tend to make it a plum color. Okay, so we have Asia 2 to 3, Europe 9 to 10, US 14 to 15, and all we go. Right, so now you got plenty of chance to trade. Okay, you are asking me, I think if I understand your question very well, Faida, you're asking about the London box and the US box. So now you have 3 boxes. So this box is the Asian box. As you can see, is this today? No, okay, no, this is not today. Okay, as you can see, if you are trading on this particular day, you will make your TP1 on this Asian box. On Euro box, you are going to make your TP, maybe TP1 or maybe break even. On US session, you are going to make a lot. Okay, the previous day, let's go to the previous day. If this one will go there, okay, the previous day, here you make your TP1, here you properly break even, here on this box you make your TP1 and 2. On this box, depends if you are taking into a trade. No, you are not into a trade. Here you make your TP1. On this American session here, you make your TP1, TP2 probably, and the same thing here, TP1, TP2, and maybe TP3. So you can see how this box work. Okay, so you make your money here, you make it here. Here you make TP1, maybe TP3 or 4 here. All right, so let's look at something else. Let's look at another instrument. I want to move out of Forex so that you guys know it's not just for Forex. Okay. It has a life for other stuff as well. So let's try gold. Okay, SAUUSD, gold. Okay, let's see what gold says. Okay, this is gold today. Okay, so gold today, if you are in Asian session, I think it's going to be break even because nothing happened really. It didn't break any of the, it didn't really break any of the high or the low. Let's see, let's add it. Okay, okay, so not much actions going on at the Asian session for this. So we move to Europe session, maybe TP1 if we are lucky for that. But US session, I think US session give us quite a lot. Okay, but what I see a lot of people do is, especially people that trade Europe on the Telegram channel, once they start the Europe, they tend to carry on until the US market. Okay, this is US market here, TP1 to TP4 probably, or TP3. So that is how it works, ladies and gentlemen. So you can trade any of the session you prefer. If you are somebody that likes to wake up in the night, you can do Asian session. If you like to sleep very well, you don't want to be disturbed, you wake up for Europe session, or even it depends on your location as well. I mean, if you are somebody in Dubai, for example, it will be better for you to focus on this. The characteristic of this though is that there are less number of pips in Asian session. As you can see, look at the box size, it's smaller than the Europe size, and it's also smaller than the US size. But that's a good thing. It could be a good thing as well because it means your stop loss will be small. All right, so there you go. One thing you should take notice of is a large box. When you see a large box compared to the normal size, be careful. Look at this is US and this is also US. You see this box is twice the size of that. So when it's too large, you might think that maybe there's a news that expand that box. It's a news time. Okay, look at the box. They are nearly at the turning point. All our boxes are almost nearly at turning points. You can see them nearly at turning points. This is a turning point here as well, nearly at turning points. So nearly at turning points. Okay, that's it, ladies and gentlemen. You can see that we don't hide anything. We show everything. Okay, there is nothing like let's keep half of it. until you become something. No. We show you everything because your success is important to me as well. Excellent. Oh no, fighter. Okay. Has the group been created for those who already paid for the packages? Faida, you are an excellent person. Yes, that's the answer. Up here, yes, because we haven't announced it yet. So maybe because Farida asked that question, yes, that's the correct answer. We are probably going to use, if you understand, Discord. There is an app called Discord. Is better than Telegram. Actually, it combines everything together. I've been told about Discord some few years ago, but I never checked it out. But I checked it out and I found that it is fantastic. You can do voice over there. You can do what Zoom can do. You can do it over there. What Skype can do, you can do it on Discord. And what Telegram can do, which is chatting, is there on Discord as well. In fact, we will create an audio channel on Discord where we can talk one-on-one during live trading. So I will say something like, okay, time for trading, guys. Let's say we are using SBS. Yeah, this is 8 o'clock. The box is complete and GU break out of the box. So I'm going at GU 1.2478. Okay. So you decide for yourself if you want to do it. That's what is called live trading. That is possible on Discord. So if you have joined and you're a member of yourtradementor.com, that is the special place you are going. But remember, we are still going to maintain Telegram. Okay, Telegram is a free group. We are still going to maintain Telegram, but we are going to give attention to those people who have registered and they are paying member. You can understand that, right? Because if you pay for your school fee, you want to get the best for your teachers, right? sorry, give people on Telegram. So don't worry, we are not leaving you, we are not forgetting you. We'll still carry you along. Yeah, we will carry you along. All right. Yeah. So thank you for that good question, Faida. I think you nailed it on the head. We were planning for it, but now you let the cat out of the bag. You see, that means I don't have secret. I don't have secret. I cannot keep secret. I'll tell you. How do you know the open time, close time of our broker on the chart? Okay, so if you look at what is called Market Watch, so you see your broker time there. So it's telling me this broker now is 0056. That is midnight. In fact, it's going to 1 o'clock in the morning. This particular broker is going to 1 o'clock in the morning. So that is how you know it. So just check your broker and look at the Market Watch. You will see it there. Okay. All right. Thank you, Faida. I think I should say thank you because you got it out of me, right? Have you signed up? Have you signed up yet, Faida? Yeah, I'm sure you must have signed up. All right, so if you have not signed up, you better go and sign up now. Let me give you the link. Okay, so you need the link. Let me fetch the link for you. Remember, you're only paying $10. Okay, so it's not much. The benefit you are going to get from it is outweigh whatever you have paid. Okay, it outweighs whatever you have paid. In fact, this product is already giving you $400 from the start. Okay, so there you go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for tonight. Okay, tell me in your language when you want to say good night or you want to say thank you and good night. Say it in your language. You can just say thank you only or just say good night only, because I want to salute you as we round up today. So I am going to start by saying thank you to all these guys that have been faithful. I've been working so hard on the Telegram. So to you, thank you so much. Terima kasih. Eyalama. So that's the language. Spasiba. Sia Bonga. Buno Notei. Ndewo. Init Meiba. Kashifu. Odaro. Ndewo Kashifu. Jia Lois. Melale Kalei. Tobish Alakaye. Hutelakale. Tobi Elakaye again. Eitalela Kale. And then Lale Kale. Yes, good night. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. To register with $10, yes, it's only $10. Yes, only $10. So you don't have any excuse, any reason not to register, okay? Because once that code expire, it's going to expire very soon, and we're going to remove that code. But as it is now, you got a bargain for yourself. So go ahead and register, and then I will chat with you again very, very soon. So thank you so much.